Sometimes, after you using your battery for a while, a heavy load or other issues may cause the BMS protection can cause your battery with a red light warning and makes your battery temporarily unusable. But don't worry, here I will show you 2 simple ways to solve this problem without calling an engineer. For the first is to the upgrading method. Using the communication wires connect the battery and the computers. Download the BMS upgrade package. Enter the upgrade command and wait about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the upgrade is complete, restart the battery. In most cases, this will fully restore its function. And second is the manual reset method. Carefully open the battery housing by remove the screws, then open the oxygen board and look near the battery display. You will see a small red collector. Simply unplug this collector, reconnect it again, and the battery will return to normal operation. Battery protection lock issues. Did you get it? If you need a solution and the support to the batteries, feel free to contact us anytime. We are here to help you.